Having your stuff secure is important. There's nothing worse than going out and finding your trailer hitch gone. Curt's Rebellion line includes a lock kit that keeps your stuff safe. The Rebellion XD tongue and hitch lock set is a perfect companion to the Rebellion XD hitch line. The locks in this set are meant to replace the standard clips and hitch pin. The hitch lock is stainless steel for strength and rust resistance, and it's made to fit 2 or 2.5 inch receiver tubes. The accessory lock is cast aluminum for protection against weather or road grime. Both locks are built with Curt quality, so you know they're going to last. That means no more fumbling around in the dark or rain trying to figure out which key goes to which lock. This saves you both time and stress. The locks are also easy to operate. It just takes a quarter turn, you're locked, and you're ready to go. You can easily tell if it's locked or not. When it's locked, the silver part is flush, but when it's unlocked, it pops out. If you're interested in more information or you're looking to purchase one of Curt's Rebellion XD tongue and hitch lock sets, check out the dealer locator in the description below. As always, thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time with Keys to Ride.